Hello dear learners, I am your teacher Himanshi Sharma. Today bringing here for you the NCERT exercises from chapter number 3 Bird Talk from your book Marigold. Before starting, I would like to recite this poem for you. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles and they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So, the name of poem is Bird Talk, and I have just recited this poem. And the poet's name is Aileen Fisher. A-I-L-E-E-N, Aileen, F-I-S-H-E-R, Fisher. Aileen Fisher. Now moving forward towards new words, there are 4 new words from the chapter. The first one is beetles. Beetle is name of an insect, and what does a beetle look like? Like this. Then sitting, to be in a particular non-moving position. Like you sit in the class, you sit on the chair. Then wires, which means thin flexible rod. You all must have seen the electrical equipments at your house attached with the wires. This is what a wire looks like. And next is funny, means causing laughter. Suppose your friend tells you a joke and you laugh at this. So the joke will be funny. Now the NCERT questions. Name the 2 birds in the poem. Can you name the 2 birds in the poem? Just remember the first 2 lines of the poem. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. So the name of 2 birds in the poem. Yes, robin and jay are 2 birds in the poem. Now question number 2. What are the 3 things that people can't do? The 3 things that people can't do are: they can't grow wings, they can't eat beetles, and they can't sit on wires. Right? The third answer. What do birds think of people? Birds think that people are very funny. Birds think that people are very funny. Now moving forward. Talk time. Imagine what 2 elephants would say to each other about people. So suppose there are 2 elephants and you have to imagine that what they can talk about people. Suppose they can talk like what people look like, what they eat, how they walk. See, now first of all I'll be showing you one elephant's nose. Look at the nose of this elephant. How long it is. And how does your nose looks like? Yeah, something like this. And what if we humans have noses like elephants? Do you want such nose? I don't want such nose. So they can also talk about human ears. That human have such small ears. How can they even listen with them? Then they also have very small teeth. See how tiny they are? The elephants can talk about our teeny teeth and small ears, right? Also they can talk about our eating habits. Like elephant 1 will say, do you know what they eat? I don't know. Elephant 2 will say, it's strange, they don't eat grass or bamboo. This is what the bamboo looks like. You know, elephants eat bamboo, but do humans eat bamboo? No, they don't. And they can also talk about the way humans walk. Elephant 1 will say, look at how these men are walking. Elephant 2, yes, they can't walk on 4 legs. We human beings walk on our 2 legs, right? Now, let's find 2 things which you can do and the birds can do. Yes, there are some things which birds can do, like they can eat beetles, they can sit on wires, which we cannot do. But similarly, there are so many things which only we can do and the birds can't do. So what are the 2 things? We can read and write, but the birds cannot read and write. We can drive a bicycle, but the birds cannot drive a bicycle. Have you ever seen a bird driving a bicycle? I have never seen that. Now, yeah, this is an activity where you have to make finger puppets. Finger puppets look something like this. You can wear them on your fingers, right? So, here I am showing you one video that how to make finger puppets. Yes, so now you have seen how to make finger puppets. You all can make them very easy, right? Now you have to write. Listen to the sound of the birds. Make a list of these words. Have you ever heard the sound of the birds? Now try to hear carefully. The sound made by birds are, what are the sound made by birds? Cuckoo, cow cow, and sometimes they also make the sound of chee chee, right? Now moving forward. You have to write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. You can see there are 6 words given to you. What are the words? Nest, water, chirp, fly, sky, wings. And you have to write 4 sentences about the birds. Okay, so we can write, birds make their nests on trees. Birds drink water with their beak. Birds have wings to fly in the sky. Birds make sound like chirp chirp. So here we have made 4 sentences using the 6 words. Now moving forward. Write words that rhyme with the words given below. There is a word written grow and you have to write the words which rhyme with grow, like know, throw. Similarly, we have some more words. Day. What will rhyme with day? Bay and lay. Then think, blink and drink. Then funny, money and sunny. Then eat, seat and heat. Then sing, ring and king. So here are the rhyming words. Now you have to say aloud. Try to speak these words with me. The first word is T-H-I-N-K, think. Next is T-H-I-S, this. Then T-E-N, ten. Then T-H-I-N, thin. Then T-H-A-T, that. Then T-O-P, top. So you have to say aloud these words. Okay. That's all, dear learners. So just go through all the questions. Thank you. Happy learning. Take care.